Hey, and welcome to the KyberQ channel. Today, a bit of a quick video. I'm doing a Marvel Mashup speed challenge. So here we have a website that generates random Marvel heroes. What I'm going to do is to mash up the two characters in a single character design. It'll be fun. Okay, so I'm going to do this in 30 minutes. Okay, mashup number 1. Let's roll those dice, baby. Let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. Spider-Man and Ghost Rider. You know what I can do with that? I can do the freaking spider cycle from Ultimate Spider-Man. We're going to start the Marvel Mashup Speed Challenge.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So here I'm drawing the basic foundations of my character design. I'm thinking of doing Spider-Man in kind of a leather jacket, on fire, and on the spider cycle. Now I draw Spider-Man quite a lot, so it's really second nature to me to draw Spidey. Yeah, he's just one of my favorite superheroes. I really enjoyed Homecoming, and Spider-Man 2 is legit one of my favorite movies of all time. Not just one of my favorite superheroes, but just one of my favorite sequels and movies in general. It's just so well done. Okay, drawing the spider cycle here. Pretty rough, but that's the best I can do under the time limit here. By the way, if my voice sounds kind of stuffy, I kind of have a cold, so... Okay, I'm going to have to manage my time quite well, so I'm gonna have to go straight into inking soon. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, angry skeleton Spider-Man. Okay, 10 minutes gone, and I think it's starting to take shape, to be honest. I really don't want to rush through the coloring process because I think that's really crucial to this piece. So I might have to do a pretty rough job on this, but let's see how it goes. Okay, I really need to get started coloring, so I'm going to get straight into that. Ooh, how much time do I have left? Ooh, ooh. So this is kind of what it would be if Spider-Man was chosen as Ghost Rider. Instead of Johnny Blaze, it's Peter Parker. For Ghost Rider's chains, I was thinking of doing Spider-Man's webs instead. I think that might be pretty cool. I pretty much have the base colors down. I think I'm going to go in and get into the effects here, because I think that is what's going to bring this piece to life. That fire does not look super good, but I'll go with it. Okay, here's a bit of a tip. If you want to make your pieces have a bit of a glow effect, create a layer on top of your base colors and set the blending mode to color dodge, and you have this really nice glow effect. I'm using a soft orange brush, and you can see how this adds a pretty cool glow effect to your piece. Ooh, okay, 5 minutes left. Okay, no pressure. What else can I do? Oh, the wheels could use some white, actually. I might go in. Ooh, okay, 10 seconds. I'll just do some blending here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Whoa! It's over! Hey! That actually turned out pretty well, considering the time frame. Yeah, I think the effects really bring it together, and that's a pretty cool mashup of Spidey and Ghost Rider. I call it Spidey Rider. Ghost Spider. That's a better one. That's a better name. Should have gone with that from the start. If you like what you see, I might do more of these. This one was pretty fun, I think. So you can check out my other videos. You can check out 35 Nintendo characters in 5 minutes. I'll see you then. Bye!